Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have goddess provisions for April. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my goddess provisions for April just arrived and I'm so excited to see what's inside. This is my first box of the month and I'm like so excited. So let's go ahead and see what is inside of here. Ready? All right. So that is what it looks like when you cut the tape, and of course, maybe I should write them and ask them, could you please put your cards on the top of the box? Because I complain about it, not complain about it, but at least I mention it every time. So maybe I should just ask them, hey, do you think you guys can just do that as the last step of your box? Because now I have to dump all this out. So, and now they have this in there. Normally there's not this. So hold up, wait a minute. Let me get all this stuff out. Okay, so now that I've had taken everything out of the box to get to the card that's on the bottom, and it looks like the monthly mantra, the ancient wisdom of crystals guides my sacred path. So there's that, and then here's the beautiful artwork inside, and then it does go over all of the items and the pricing and all of that good stuff. So let's go ahead and go with what was open, because I saw this first because it came out of the package as I was dumping stuff out. And then the thing that it comes with, it has their logo, Goddess Provisions, right there. And it says, I write with intention and manifest my dreams. So it's a little case to keep your pin in. That's super cute. And then here is the pin. And it just has like little white things in one end and the rest is just all gold. And I guess you probably twist to get it open. Yeah, you twist to open it right there. So here is a writing pin, and it says Goddess Provisions Clear Quartz Pin. So that must be what's inside here is clear quartz. Crystals allow positive energy to flow. Write with this magical clear quartz pin to clear negativity, release energetic blockage, and amplify positive intention so you can manifest your dreams. Use it for journaling and signing high-vibed agreements into being. $11 value. So clear quartz is inside there. Super cute. I just wish that it was silver because I'm not a gold fan, but it looks, at least it's like a rose goldish kind of color, I guess. And then you can keep it down inside of the little bag if you would like. And then there's a little sticker on the back that says made in China. I'll remove that. So there's an item number one. And again, this is valued at $11. So then it looks like, do we have a candle? It says Lilac and Willow Moonstone hand-poured soy candle. And it looks like it has a little moon phase on there. Super, super cute. So by the sounds of this, there's going to be some stuff inside. Yes, and it's so pretty. Ooh, that smells so good. Oh, wow. So here's what is all inside. It looks like there's some flower petals in there. And there's some crystals in there. And it smells amazing in here. Oh, yes, it does. So that's what it looks like one time again. One time again. It says, light this gorgeous soy wax candle to infuse your space with moonstone energy. It's dressed with moonstones, pink Himalaya salt, plus assorted wildflowers to emit a crisp aroma of coconut, cucumber, vanilla, and mint to inspire balance and harmony. And this is $12. You can use code SPRINGGODDESS for 15% off at lilacwillow.com. Oh, it smells so good. Wow, that does smell amazing. And I love that there's like the moon phase on the thing because, you know, I like the moon phase. So that's adorable. So item number two, loving it. Now this looks like we have a fine and raw chocolate. Whoa, we got some chocolate, you guys. So this says fine and raw sea salt chocolate bar. And this is valued at $5. You can use coupon code goddess/ the little dash in the middle, APR 2020, and that'll save you 15% off at fineandraw.com, FINEANDRAW.com. So we have a chocolate bar. Good thing it's not too hot today. It cooled down a little bit, which was really nice. So it has all these little tiny, oh, is there stuff on there? There's like little leaves and it says fine and raw chocolate. So they have like a little cute imprint in there. So let me just take like a little piece off of here. And take one little. Woo, wait, it got sour. What in the world? I don't know about that one. I don't really like the way it, and I love chocolate. And I don't really like the way that tastes. It has a weird taste to it. I don't really like that. I don't like the way that it's feeling in my throat either. I don't know. I'm sorry, but I don't like that. I'll see if my man does, but I highly doubt it if I don't. But let's keep on going. We have this item right here, and this says Beauty Gemstone Power Oil, Blissful Balance Oil, Tiger's Eye Stone Roller. Ooh. So there's the packaging. Let's see. This is Passport to Beauty Tiger's Eye Roll-On. This is valued at $45. Holy moly. It says Passport to Beauty. And it says with a Tiger's Eye gemstone as a roller ball, this blissful essential oil blend helps enhance clarity, vitality, and personal strength. Roll it onto your pulse points, third eye, and solar plexus to balance your chakras and receive crystal healing with each application. This is valued again at $45. You can use coupon GODDESS to save 30% off at passportbeauty.com. $45 for a rollerball though? I don't know. Let's see here. I would definitely need the 30% off then if I was buying it. And so there's the Tiger's Eye rollerball. That's different. I do like that. Let's see what it smells like. I'm kind of just smelling like a lemon. I'm kind of just smelling like a lemon essential oils. Does it say? It says it's made with an uplifting blend of sunflower, and I know I'm going to say this wrong, jojoba, I don't know. Rosemary oils to hydrate, soothe, calm with blissful blend of honeysuckle and orange and cedarwood bark oils encourage a more balanced mood. The beautiful formula meets your skin with powerful Tiger's Eye Stone, known for vitality and strength, transformation, and restoring balance on all levels. I just smell citrus. All I smell is a citrus scent, but there's that. Then we have is a sheet mask. You know I love my sheet masks. This is Jade Wisdom and Peace facial mask infused with oil absorbing matcha to help promote shine-free skin. That sounds interesting. And this is valued at $3. And it says an at-home beauty essential. This Jade inspired face mask features matcha and botanical extracts that offer jade-like benefits of tranquility, purity, and longevity. Coupon code GODDESS20 saves 20% off at myspalife.net. So we have a face mask. I'm really excited to try that out. We have a little book here. This is super cute. It's by Judy Hall. It says The Crystal Seer, Power Crystals for Magic, Meditation, and Rituals. So that's awesome. On the back of this, it says $12.99. This says that it's valued at $13. So I guess I just rounded up. And it says, crystals are oracles. Use this portable reference guide with wisdom of over 160 different minerals to tune into the message they carry and take in their magical and healing qualities. Use GDESS PROV 2020. GDESS PROV 2020 will save you 15% off all tiles at quattronows.com, QUARTOKNOWS.com. That chocolate was not good. I still got that in my mouth. The essential volume for using crystals for divination and ritual. Within every crystal is a message. Each stone has a story that can teach and heal us if we reflect deeply into its image. And it's a cute little book that is filled with a lot of useful information. Ooh, pretty pictures in there. So it goes over all the different stones, and yeah. And I definitely need this because I still have a lot of learning to do. So anything that'll help me learn and to expand my horizon on this would be very appreciated. So I'm super glad to have that. And then the last item, they always do give you a crystal. So let me remove the plastic. Okay, so that is what this month's looks like. And this is Labradorite. So this one says a powerful stone of magic, protection, and transformation. Meditate with this crystal on your third eye and awaken your psychic powers. Now, Labradorite normally has like a shift in color that like brings like a glowing color, but it doesn't really look like this one has any of it. This one is like missing that part. So most of the time, like there'll be like a hint that you can get in lights and looks like it's like glowing, but I'm not picking that up in this particular part of the stone, but that's okay. So there's that. There's the crystal valued at $6. And then the last thing that's not really in here to show you, but to tell you, they do have a digital bonus download that's valued at $30. It says Cultivating Crystalline Resilience. Access this crystal-infused healing journey to transform limiting beliefs into limitless potential through guided meditation, experiencing wisdom, journal prompts, and more. So it gives you all the information to download, and that's a $30 value. So adding up that $30 value with all of these values here would be a grand total right here of my box retail value. That is everything that is in this April box, you guys. So again, we have the digital download. We have this chocolate bar that I'm not fond of. We have this really cool pin that has the crystals inside. We have the crystal for this month. We have the roller ball. I'm still just smelling citrus, but there's that with the tiger's eye. That's really cool though. We have this amazing smelling candle, which I'm super, super excited to use this. We have this book that I'm excited about and the face mask that I'm super excited about. So there you have it. What did you think of this month's box, you guys? Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. If you guys do want a little bit more information about Goddess Provisions, they send you 5 to 7 full-size products in every box. The value is typically between $80 to $100 of Goddess goodies. You get free shipping within the US. It does ship worldwide, but you pay if you're not in the US for international shipping. It's $33 per month, and you can do it as low as $27.75 per month if you prepay for a full 12 months subscription at one time. And Goddess Provisions is always 100% cruelty and vegan free. All products inside are always cruelty free and vegan, so that's amazing. Canadian shipping is $15 and international is $25. You can pause or cancel at any time. So there you have it. So until next time, you guys, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.